well, I had a bunch of toy machines given to me from a collection, and that Muller was the first one that I took a look at. And this next one is this new Betsy Ross. It's got its box, guaranteed product of Betsy Ross Sewing Machine Company, Chicago 11, Illinois, which is cool. The end here is stamped with Seaboard Container Company for the certification, and then I don't know what the underneath there says. And inside the box here we have, got a personal letter from Betsy Ross, which is cute, but somebody stitched through it and cut. To my dear little seamstress, I'm so happy to be at home with you and to help you learn to sew many beautiful things. Please let Mother use me occasionally to run up her curtains and her mending. I know you both love to sew, and so now that you have me. Very cute. You can help Mother, and Mother can help you do lots of mending jobs to make me work easily. Follow these simple directions. Turn on the other side of this letter. Take a little time and have Mother help you learn, and you will find sewing is so easy and so much fun. So, very nice. What do we got? Always turn the wheel in clockwise direction. The quick threading guide. The looper diagram. Changing the needle. It uses a 24x1, which I believe is the same as the Singer Model 20, which you can't get needles for anymore, so that'll be... oh, and I need to refold this the right way around. Wait, yeah, no, there we go. Okay, I folded it the wrong way that time. Now let's get this out here. Set that adorable box aside. It has a needle in it, so that's good. It might be in time. That's better than that, better than the Muller was. So, yeah, this is... the presser feet are coming up, unlike the Muller. What does it have? It just has a... okay. So inside here there's a stub gear shaft that runs from the crank to the inside, and then it's got the upper and lower gear, and the lower gear is connected to the shaft that runs our looper and feed, and then the upper gear, which is the same shaft as the stub from the crank, has got the rocker arm for the top here. Alright. Okay, well, this is also a very dusty machine, but it's not as dirty as the Muller was. It's missing one of its rubber feet, so it's uneven here. There we go. unscrew that rubber foot, and now it's at least level. Give it a quick try and see what happens. I guess I need to check the threading diagram because I'm not... Oh wait. I went up instead of just going straight in to that hole. There. Now... Oh. Somebody took this tensioner apart and flipped the tension discs on it, so that they're both cupped together. There. Flip those the right way around so that we get a place for our thread to go. There we go. Make sure I get my tail held here. Oh, and I felt it pull the loop. Look at that. All right. There we go. Well, we're making a pretty nice stitch there. This machine is basically all in good shape. I just need to get it all wiped down and find a nice spool of thread to put on it. That's adorable. It's all, you know, cheap aluminum, pot metal-y, zinc casting stuff, so it's gonna need to be stored very carefully because, you know, the more zinc you get in pot metal, the easier it is for it to get that pot metal rot, because that's part of all of the mix of metals in pot metal and tin and zinc oxidizing, because tin and zinc both oxidize. The key is that when they oxidize, their oxide creates a solid, airtight coating normally, or most of the time. So it seals more air from getting in. Aluminum does the same thing. The aluminum oxide gets all dull, but if you have a mix of tin and zinc and aluminum that's just right, that's the pot metal. Then as it oxidizes, the different metals will prevent each other from forming that protective coating, that solid layer, and then they'll rot out just like anything else. So, well, that was a fun, quick and easy to open package. I'm gonna trim this thread there and put a dab of oil on the needle bar and inside on here on the shaft. I'm gonna put a dab there and on the jack shaft on both ends. Make sure that works itself in. Beautiful. Well, that was a quick checkout.